Hello everyone, welcome back to new class and we will continue our chapter before the match. We'll start from here. Hello Swaminathan, what is the matter? Now doctor asked Swaminathan that hello Swaminathan, what is wrong with you? Doctor, I have got to have a doctor's certificate immediately. Now he said that I need a doctor's certificate. Right, I need a doctor's certificate right now. What's the matter? Then he asked again, why do you need that? I will tell you the truth, doctor. Now he's like, now doctor, I'm being honest here. I have to play a match next week against YMU. Now he said that I have to play a cricket match against the team YMU, and I must have some practice, and for that I need some practice, but I am not getting time for that. And yet every evening there is a drill class, scouting or some period or other. So for practice I need some time, but in the evening I have some drill class, some scouting and some other periods. If you could give me a certificate asking them to let me off at 4:30, it would help the MCC to win the match. So then he said, if you give me a certificate, basically a fake certificate he was asking, if you give me a certificate, so they will allow me to leave early. They will, so that I can leave at 4:30 and I can practice for my MCC team. Well, then doctor said, well, I could do it, but there is anything wrong with you? So doctor said, obviously I can give you certificate, but anything wrong with you? Something happened to you? Swaminathan took half a second to find the answer, means he took a time. Then he said, certainly, I'm beginning to feel that I have a delirium. So he said, yes, I means something is wrong. I'm feeling like I have a delirium. Boy, did you say delirium? What exact do you mean by delirium? Now doctor said, okay, you use this word delirium, but do you know the actual meaning of that? Then Swaminathan said, I can't say exactly, but isn't it some kind of stomach ache? So Swaminathan said, no, see, I don't know properly about that, but is it some kind of stomach ache, stomach pain? The doctor laughed till great fit of coughing threatened to choke him. Now basically doctor started laughing, right? He started laughing. After that he looked Swaminathan under the eye, examined his tongue. Now he started all checking up Swaminathan. He started examining his eyes, under the eye, his tongue, tapped his chest and declared him to be in the pink of health. Now in the pink of health meaning you can see from here absolutely healthy. In the pink of health meaning absolutely healthy. So he examined his tongue, he examined his chest and eye. So he's like, no, you are perfectly fine, all right, and told him he would do well to stick to his drill if he wanted to get rid of delirium. So he said, if you wanted to get rid of delirium, you have to do the drill.